Do you believe this slave is the one our benefactor is seeking?
Yes, this is the one, Master. It may look human enough. That's what I thought. But with my own eyes, I saw it bewitch a whole crowd of innocents with its foul charms.
I will need proof before I bring this one before the Inquisition. I will not be made a fool of again.
I think that can be arranged. Prepare yourself, slave. If you carry magic within you, your impending death shall tear the truth out of you.
Leave this one alone.
The spirit manifestation betrays your demon magic. You will be brought before the Inquisition in the morning, and I will earn much from your misery.
Great, just great. That deluded fool was right about Did you hear that?
Where is the one with the spirit of Lionheart? Answer me or die.
I'll make this simple. We have to leave. No, I can't. Of course, you could try to pick the lock rather than beg me for aid. I doubt such a mechanism.
Hey, did you hear the noise just now? They're not gonna find us here.